Hey guys, welcome to this video on how to get Google AdSense approval. This video is powered by our website upniche.com, where we offer various services like pre-made niche websites for AdSense, Amazon and ClickBank. Take a look at the services we offer. We offer ready-made niche websites, custom niche websites, VPN setup services, Web 2.0 creation services, SEO packages and AdSense approval. Our AdSense approval services starts at $75 and we do everything from the start to the end. We offer you a Gmail ID along with the approval and we'll get everything. You need not do anything, you will get a fully approved AdSense account. So now let's go to the tutorial. AdSense approval was once a very easy task. You can apply in the morning and you might get approved before the afternoon. But it's not the case anymore. AdSense has made its standards very strict that only a very few people are able to get approved on their own. This is because there was a very great rush from third world countries. I'm sorry to say third world countries, but there are certain countries where people used it as a clickbait program where they can get rich quick by clicking AdSense. So AdSense made its standards very strict. So now let's look at how to get AdSense approval within a day, even though they have made their standards strict. If you follow this method, most probably you will get AdSense approved within a day. Even if you are not able to get approval within a day, you will be able to get an approval within a week or so. As Google AdSense is the highest paying advertising program, we have absolutely no chance to choose any other programs. No other program pays as much as AdSense. So we are left with only one choice to follow AdSense and follow the terms. Here are the requirements to get Google AdSense approval. You need a top level domain. Top level domain in the sense you need a .com, .net, .org or any other custom registered domain. Free custom domains like .tk won't work anymore. Custom domains do not cost you much. It only costs about $1 in GoDaddy and Namecheap. Most probably you might have some offers even now. Check for some coupons and you can register a domain for around $1. The next thing is they are asking that your website must be live for at least 6 months old. But it is not always required that you must be active for at least 6 months old. We have got approval for sites even after registering within 2-3 days. Next thing is your content. Your content must be of very good quality. If your content is of low quality, then there is no way you will get approved. You must have certain legal pages set up. They are about us, contact us, privacy policy. And the last thing is you must get some traffic. If you don't get any traffic, then it is very tough that you will get approved. As a part of our services, we always make sure that we have a good domain name. The domain name that looks and appears brandable. And there are certain niches where AdSense doesn't serve ads. They are porn, adult or hacking content. So if your content is something like that, you must really create a new website before you get approved to AdSense. Topics like technology, education, hobbies, sports, gardening, such things get approved very easily. In the previous days, I have tried getting approval by using ClickBank websites promoting products like hair loss, weight loss, such things. And most of the time I was not approved because Google just hates clickbang ads. If you have some clickbang ads in your website, remove them before you apply for AdSense. As I said, don't use any other advertising methods when you apply for AdSense. I usually remove Amazon AdSense or any other advertising methods in my website before I apply for AdSense. You must have a proper navigation structure. A visitor must be able to browse through your entire website from your home page. Have a proper silo structure so you will get easily approved. Now, another important thing is your site must load fast. If it doesn't load fast, then you are definitely losing so much in terms of SEO and in terms of AdSense approval. Make sure your website is in one of the approved languages by AdSense. Google has officially approved only some 10 languages for AdSense program. If your website is out of any other languages, then you won't get approved. And make sure you at least have some 20 articles before applying for AdSense. If you have very less content, you will get a message saying insufficient content and you won't be approved. I have already mentioned this. You must set up about us, contact us, privacy policy and disclaimer pages in your website, and you must link them in your navigation or in your footer so that a person visiting your website can easily see that. And this thing is another important step. It is not essential that you always use a custom email. I have got approval many times using Gmail IDs, but if you use a custom email, it might improve your chances of getting approval. So it is entirely your preference. You can either use any of them, but having a custom email is preferred. If you follow all the steps I have mentioned in this video, then possibly you will get approval within 6 to 10 hours or most probably within 24 hours. And the next thing is AdSense will send you a code. You must insert that HTML code into your website so that Google will start tracking your traffic, and then they will analyze or decide whether they must approve your website. If you have enough traffic, the entire process of getting fully approved to AdSense will be within 1 or 2 days. So if you don't have a 6 months old domain, or if you don't have enough traffic to get approved to AdSense, what must you do? That's when our services come in handy. If you are not able to get AdSense approval even after trying many times, then contact us using the mail contact@appniche.com, and we will get you AdSense approval as early as we can. Or otherwise, if you want to do it all your own, we might send you few tips after checking out your website so that you can get approved yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.